Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can add fonts on Figma. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, you're going to log into your Figma account and open the project that you want to work on. And then, on your project, click on the text that you want to edit. Now, if you look to the right, clicking on the text would automatically bring all these available options. But to add a font, you are going to go to typography, as you can see here, and then click on enter. From here, these are all the available fonts for you to use. Whether it is downloaded or not yet downloaded, clicking on any font will automatically install that font for you to be able to use for your project. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!